Hey everyone, it's Nikki Jackson. With over 190 million LinkedIn users in the United States as of the date of this video, you cannot afford to not have a LinkedIn banner. It is absolutely prime real estate to talk about all things you or your company, so don't waste the space. If you don't have a banner yet, I'm glad you're here so that you can check out what to do. Making a banner is so simple. There's a few options that you can use. I like to use a program called Canva. You can head on over and create a free account. It's here, Canva, Canva.com. They have tons and tons of templates. So it kind of depends on what you want to do. If you want to do professional branding, personal branding, a portfolio showcase, or inspirational quotes, there's lots and lots of options. But before you do anything, always check on the size of the banner because this stuff changes from time to time depending on the platform that you're using. You can always go to Google, type in the banner sizes or social media platform, whatever it is, and sizing, and you can usually come up with something. So here is a LinkedIn image guide. This is pretty recent. It's from March of 2024, so not too far off. We'll go ahead and use it. It says that our banner background size is 1584 by 396. So I'm going into Canva here and I'm going to do custom size 1584 by 396, and I'm going to create a new design. Now remember, I told you there's all sorts of styles that you can kind of pick from, but try to plan out what you want to do first. Do you want to have professional branding? So you've got your company logo, your brand colors, maybe a tagline. Or do you want to go more so on the personal side, where maybe you're using a photo, a personal slogan, and colors that reflect your own personality? Or maybe you want to showcase some of your portfolio, so you highlight some key projects or achievements or skills with relevant icons or images. Or maybe you just want to do an inspirational quote, something that kind of resonates with your professional ethos or industry. So kind of plan out what you want, and you can search according to that to try to get some ideas. For example, let's say we want to go with a quote. I can type in quote in the search bar, and there's a few different options that appear here. So I'm just going to pick a simple one here to use for an example. If you have brand colors loaded, you can easily switch this up to reflect your own brand, and it'll give you options and shuffle through the color scheme for your brand. But I'm assuming if you're watching this video that you probably don't have that set up, and that's fine. That's just maybe down the road some goals. So if I want to, let's say, work on something that we've worked on in the past to help Mr. George here. Look, George has no profile banner page, so we're going to give him something. On Canva, I've got some projects already started, so I'm going to look for something that we've already done. But all you have to do is go and download this, and I'm going to select this page. It's going to download to your computer wherever you have things saved to download to. Toggle over to your LinkedIn profile page, hit this button here, the picture, and then go ahead and upload the photo that you just created. I'm going to use an Elevate the Narrative banner. For me, it shows auto fleet liability, it shows general liability, and it shows flood damage here, so property. I think that's really good for George. He's a liability professional. I also picked colors that I thought matched really well with Elevate the Narrative's themes because he is doing some work on the side for me to help with my books and such. So it matches our color scheme perfectly there, and I think that looks great. So we're going to go ahead and apply that. Now, mind you, we could put text here too. I didn't do that for the sake of time on this example, but again, you're creating your design, so you can put whatever it is that you want to put in this space. And you just easily click on stuff and change your name. We could change this to George. What I really like too is to make sure that it matches your mobile device. So if you're doing this on a desktop, it's probably a lot easier, right? You're doing it on a desktop, go ahead and upload it and save it, and check it on your phone too to make sure that it fits, because sometimes the text gets squished down or whatnot when it's on a mobile device. But it's that simple. It's really not hard. There's other programs you can use. If you want to suffer through and do it on PowerPoint or something like that, you could. But LinkedIn is just a great way to make a first impression if you're using this banner. So take the time, make the banner that truly represents you and your professional brand. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Elevate the Narrative. Bye.